In the meantime, actor and nightclub operator Bad Boy Trevor, whose real name is Garfield Reed, and cashier Keneal Smith were charged after staging a pool party on Sunday. The men were found in breach of the Disaster Risk Management, Noise Abatement, State of Emergency, and Spirit License Act. Now, they are to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Friday, April 24. Police say the party was held at 31 Plantation Drive, Kingston 20. A team from the Duhaney Police pulled the plug on the event sometime after 1 this morning. They seized a console and a quantity of liquor. Communication officer for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Deputy Superintendent Delia Garrick, says the police will be vigilant in preventing persons from staging parties amid restrictions to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
Not to organize or participate in any gathering such as parties or any such event. This would result in persons being prosecuted as no permit are being issued for any such gatherings or party. We will be enforcing the law to its fullest and appeal to the general public to be responsible and not to knowingly expose yourself to any heightened risk